Alright guys, so it's the next day. Shoot, I kind of woke up late. Gonna head to the shop to help Jason move some things over. We're not gonna paint the S14 today. Gonna paint the customer's 300ZX, but we're gonna paint the AERO kit and the hood for my S14. I got the bubble wrap from last night, so we can wrap all the kits. So much money that goes into building these things, you know. A lot of people don't realize when you see cars with paint jobs or built to the way they are, of how much time, money, and sweat it takes, literally. For those of you guys who do know and who have built cars, props to you. I hope you guys enjoy them because I really miss enjoying mine. But I got big news, so stay tuned in the video because I'm gonna be announcing what just happened in the last couple days. Dinosaur from Sinclair. Alright, loaded up the paint stuff. Can't really see it, but it's all back there. Alright, there's Marty right there.
We gotta get organized first, son.
No, it's all good. This is all real. This is the truth right here.
This is the truth.
This ain't no acting gig. It would have been nice if we did it red, but maybe next time we keep it the same color for now. So doing the rears, both AERO kits. Just gotta bring the other ones next time. Alright, just walk into the booth real quick so you guys can see. Just get them all laid out. Jason mixing some stuff up.
It's called stuff.
Mixing some stuff up, right? This is stuff, right?
Yep, it's right here. It says stuff.
Yeah, stuff.
Yeah, we can, you know.
Look at that. It was orange and now it's silver. Nice. Alright, just mixing up some more color. Marty sprayed the other first cup, second cup.
Alright, let's go inside.
Parts are done being painted with the color, so we're gonna lay the clear down and we'll let them out to dry. There you go. There's Marty the man, the painter in action. Check it out though.
I get that stuff out, man, when it dries.
Oh, it looks fire right now though, man. Alright, check out the hood. Lassie. Looking good. Alright, so brought the parts back. Wasn't able to paint the Kazama kit, but we'll get that painted later. Just gotta get the body ready for the rest of the kit now. So the first kit's painted, but the second kit's not. That'll get done in a couple weeks. Still have a lot of time left, so. All right, here at Stancecon with my mom and brother. And this This fool put it on like super tight on my wrist. Check this out. What are you doing, man? Okay, so we're gonna head inside though. Small venue, but it looks cool. Get to see the Liberty Works vendor, GTR as well.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Thanks, bud.
Hey,
Hey, go vote for the Supra.
what is it?
Everybody, go vote for that Supra right there.
Let's see, bro. What?
Take a picture of it and then post it on Instagram with that hashtag.
Okay,
The Supra
we'll
has
do.
to win over the Infiniti.
Supra. Thanks, guys.
How long are you count for?
Hey, so, all right. We're just gonna walk around checking out some cars. Oh, you go with them. You go with them. So this is the Supra that they want you guys to vote on, right? Let's see it. It's positioned pretty well. Actually pretty cool. You know, if you guys recognize this car from the movies, yo, check it. Check it. An F&F crew, all up in here. And look who walks by while we're
I had to see
taking.
the last video of you talking crap.
Oh, sorry. Look who I found. Look, repping the vanilla hat, repping the vanilla shirt, vanilla fitment, the pink trike bushing thing, and vanilla one motoring. Yo!
What's up?
It's a true homie right there. True homie. You gonna go to Wekfest?
I'll try. Yeah, come. I'll try.
He's gonna try. He's all excited. See movie prop look-alike cars. I don't know if they're not real or not. Who knows? Check this out. It's pretty unique, guys. Custom hood. You got the tilt back bed. Pretty low.